Stupid shit, hey? Anyone else like this?
Yeah, let's hear some other stories.
Devin is gonna have a wildcat in here.
Mm. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you are.
Like
yeah.
Louise, have you lost your fucking funness? Hey? Your funness in Calgary? Did you forget to pack it? You forgot. You're like, I'm going home.
Okay, Bree, you're stalling. Seriously.
It's their peer pressure. It's their tactic.
Really?
Come on, hurry it up.
All the way. Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Uh-oh, something happened? Something happened?
Yeah. That wasn't so good. I don't know what happened, but I got like full hair. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, here it is. Here it is.
Burp it up.
Oh.
That feels good. There really isn't that much left.
You know.
Yeah, but go fucking do it. Oh, that is good. Yeah. It's the last drop. Oh, yeah, get it?